Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to learn how to convert all letters in a string to uppercase, and we're going to use the upper function. Here I'm asking the user to enter a string as before, and we are assigning it to a variable called text. Then in using print function, I'm printing the output. So I type down the name of my variable dot the upper. So the upper is the function that is going to help me to make all letters in my string to be uppercase. So I type down, this is Reza Shaheen from Python coding class. Okay, so this is my string, and as you see, all letters in my string are lowercase. And when I enter, I expect to see the output of my string with all letters in uppercases. So when I run this code, we see here is my string. So this is Reza Shaheen from Python coding class. And then we see that here we are having my string, but all letters are now in uppercase. So we learned how to do it using upper function in Python. Thank you for watching.